So we decided that we were going to stay at this campground, and they had opening 2 places up for the weekend. So we're just going to move.
Show you one reason why we like this place. Come with me. Come with me.
Okay. There's a whole geese family. Let's see if Daisy's watching. Daisy, do you see the geese? Hi. You see all the geese down there? So our new site will be right next to these people, which we met last night, who is a teacher, and they're from Detroit. So move on up.
Let me see. I think you did it perfect. So she had to, this is the spot we had. It was super tight. It's a very little spot. All these are very little. And we were actually right here yesterday. And so we've got this little spot here. And we wanted to have some kind of a little bit of living space. So she wanted to be as close to this as she could. And she went super close to the electric pole, completely missed it, did a nice turn, spot on, level, perfect.
Had some lunch, hung out at the camper, and we're gonna go try this national park, the first national park in the United States from an Indian tribe. So it is called Frog Bay National Park. We're gonna go check that out next. Here we are, easy route. Ooh, pretty. Oh, so pretty.
Wow.
Ah, look how clear that is. This is beautiful. I think I'm going to join the rest of the gang who's all sleeping, and then plan to make dinner and then go to a concert down at the park down here. So sweet dreams and see you later. Of course you can't see a concert downtown in the summer without first getting ice cream. And Lance had eyed the perfect place earlier. Sherbet for me.
Death by chocolate for me.
Tonight's concert was the Groove Project, a jazz band down at Memorial Park. Continued listening as we walked around the marina and enjoyed some of the views of the water. We just got back from a little swim at the casino pool. It felt so good, and a nice hot shower afterward. So that was a great way to end our day. It's about 11 o'clock at night, so we're gonna play with the girls a little bit and then probably call it a night. And then tomorrow morning, I think we're gonna go check out the sea kayaks. Until then. There are several kayak companies up in the area, but we chose Lost Creek Adventures from Cornucopia, Wisconsin. Okay, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do the sea kayak caves tour light, which is a 2.5 to 3 hour tour. I'm very nervous, but I want to do it. I want to see these caves.
It's gonna be fun. You'll forget about it the second you get in the water.
We just came down to the Myers Beach where they're going to launch from, and we watched somebody else get ready and go just to get a feel of what it's going to be like. And the waves are looking a little choppy right now. But
they've gotten way bigger since we sat down.
Yeah.
It was nice and calm this morning.
So we're going to do it, huh?
Yeah, it'll be fun.
Okay.
You'll love it. You'll love it.
Experiences and all that. So, I'll start off, but let's share our names.
Here's the reason they recommend a wetsuit. 43 degrees and it's June.
Are you ready to go kayaking?
We're doing it. I've got my wetsuit on. Lance opted no wetsuit because he said he's too warm already. And we're driving down to the location. After some safety protocols and equipment adjustments, we were ready to head down to Lake Superior. Ready, Lance? The big draws to coming up to the Paso Islands is to see these sea caves. We're going to take you along with us so you can join us on the sea cave adventure. Here we go.
Push ourselves through.
Yeah, that was the smallest cave we went through. There was an even smaller one called the Mouse Hole, but we chose not to do that one as you had to lay down to get through it. But right here, we are waiting in line to go into the crevasse. It's a tight little area that you can kayak into. I'm very claustrophobic, so I'm not sure about this, but let's go try. This is...
We just go paddle sideways, use your arms, right? Yeah.
You got it?
Yep, I'm gonna put your rudder in my thing here. There you go. That's awesome.
Okay, stop.
I pretty much put it in. Awesome. Just the feel of this rock is amazing.
We couldn't get over how turquoise blue the water was. Absolutely beautiful. And these sea caves are made up of red sandstone, blue minerals, and you also will see green moss. These naturally occurring caves are made up of sandstone cliffs that have been carved out by centuries of waves and the freezing and thawing of ice. To the right, a little, to the right. There you go.
Bending low is in my
The kayaking that we're doing is one way you can see the seed caves around the Paso Islands. Another is there's a little cruise ship that you can take that will go all around the islands, about a 3-hour tour that you can see all of the caves that way. There's also a ferry that will take you over to Madeline Island where you can explore around or even stay the night camping on it. We did it! It was amazing. Highly recommend. Wasn't that awesome, Lance? Mm-hmm. We're both eating our lunches we packed. It was just absolutely awesome, and we had perfect water going out, waves coming back, pushing us back. Beautiful day. The fun part was hearing the thunder. There's a storm way off, but the thunder rolls across Lake Superior and can echo in those caves. It was just awesome. So, yay, us! Well, it's after dinner, and we got the tent out for the girls. Be nice, Daisy. Be nice. Beautiful little setup here. A nice evening. Yeah. Emmy's trying to get used to the new tent. She's not used to it. She's only been here a couple times. Daisy's an old pro. So cute. We decided we liked our campground better because this one's on the lake. This was much better. So